Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you how to find the Tonkeeper wallet from the Bybit application. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing is go to your asset, and in the asset all you have to do is to send something to the other wallet. For example, I'm gonna withdraw it. I don't have any coin yet, but if you have any coin you can always go to the withdraw option. So for me, I'm gonna go to the deposit option just to show you guys how to find the Tonkeeper wallet in it. So select a coin that you want to transfer. For example, I'm gonna go with the Tone, and let's go with the Tone in the chain. So here you guys can see that this is my wallet address and this is the memo that I have, and all I have to do is to copy this one and go and open this one in the Tonkeeper application. So once I go to my Tonkeeper application, all I have to do is to send the amount of Tone to the Bybit application. So that way we get connected with the Bybit application. My Tonkeeper wallet will be connected with the uh, Bybit application. So just paste the address right over here, and in the comment write the memo address, which is 161.582.12. So all you have to do is to continue the option and write the amount of tone that you want to send, and that's how you can connect the Bybit application with your Tonkeeper application. I hope you find this video helpful.